The overall goal of this methodology is to monitor neural activations associated with the vocal production of consonant and dissonant intervals through the use of functional magnetic resonance imaging.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of auditory cognitive neuroscience, such as how does integration of external feedback from the auditory and sensory motor systems differ when singing consonant and dissonant intervals. The main advantage of this technique is that it is designed to track activity of both the motor and the auditory system while simultaneously obtaining a measure of vocal accuracy during singing.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because it is difficult to record sound tones faithfully from within the scanner, as the interior of the scanner is extremely noisy. Demonstrating the procedure will be Lucero Pacheco, a grad student from my laboratory.
To begin producing pure tones spanning 2 octaves from G4 to G6, open a new project folder in sound editing software. Then, under the Generate menu, select Tone. In the window that appears, select a sine waveform, an amplitude of 0.8, and a duration of 1 second. Enter the value of the frequency that corresponds to the desired note and click on the OK button. Under the File menu, select Export. In the window that opens, enter the desired name for the audio file and choose WAV as the desired file.